Students, first we take its overview from the text. Students, as we discussed during the reading, that long ago people found sometimes barter system difficult because people could not always take 10 cows and a sack of grains every time they went shopping. So, people found this barter system difficult. So our answer is because it was not practical or convenient to carry the heavy sacks of grains to the market every time. Students, now we will discuss about its work page. So our act A is number the following events to show the order in which they happened. Our first statement is coins were made from gold, coins were made from cheaper metals, paper money was invented, people used to barter things. Friends, let's take an overview about it from the text. Students, many thousands of years ago, there was no money and people did not use coins. And when they wanted something, they gave something else in exchange. And the system of exchanging goods was known as barter. So, first of all, people used barter system to fulfill their needs. Then in 7th century BCE, Lydians invented money, and they have plenty of gold which they use as money. Then later on, coins were produced in silver, copper, bronze and other metals. And much later, because coins were heavy and not easy to carry around, people used paper money, and Chinese were the first people to print and use paper money from 600 CE. So, first of all, people used to barter things. Then coins were made from gold. Later on, coins were made from cheaper metals. Then paper money was invented. So, we will assign number according to their events. Number 1, for barter things. Number 2, coins from gold. Number 3, coins from cheaper metals. Number 4, for paper money. Now we will discuss about its Act B. Our Act B is which of the following deals is better. Deal A is buy now for a one-off payment of 20,000 rupee. Deal B is about buying on credit, pay 1,000 rupees now and take it home. Complete your payments by paying 1,000 rupees each month for 20 months. Students, according to me, Deal A is better than Deal B because paying per month is a time-taking process. Students, there is another situation. Why might someone need to choose Deal B instead of A? Students, in case people could not pay by one-off payment because they did not have enough saving to pay the entire amount, then they can choose the Deal B and they can pay 1,000 rupee per month. Now we will discuss about Act C. So students, the currency which is used in Pakistan is called the rupee. Find out what the currencies of other countries are called. Students, we will match them with the help of scales. Here countries and their currencies are given. The first one is United States of America and its currency is called dollar. The next one is United Kingdom and its currency is called pound. Japan currency is called yen. Saudi Arabia, real, and China currency is called yuan. Students, a currency called the euro was developed and came into use on 1st January 2002. Euro coins and banknotes are in use in 16 of the 27 member states of the European Union. These are Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Spain. Students, I hope you understand about all these acts. Thank you.